Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to come back to my brainstorming page. Remember, I showed you my character, setting, problem, and solution. Well, now I'm ready to write my great fairy tale, but I forgot what I needed to do first. Before I start telling my readers what happened first, next, then, and last, I need a good introduction sentence to introduce my characters and the setting. So I wanted to start my story with a great fairy tale opening. Something like Once Upon a Time. So I'm going to start with Once Upon a Time. And then I'm going to say one of my characters and where they're at. So I'm going to say Princess Sophia was in the castle. And then I'm going to explain what she was doing, playing with her toys. So I have my great fairy tale opening. I used Once Upon a Time, but you can use anything you want. And I have my character, Princess Sophia. And I have my setting. That's the castle. And something completely normal that she's doing, playing with toys. So, once upon a time, Princess Sophia was in the castle playing with her toys. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to write a great fairy tale introduction with the character Nemo from Finding Nemo, and the setting is the fish tank. So, write your great fairy tale introduction and take a picture of it and send it to me on Seesaw.